In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password from PDFs in Adobe Acrobat 2026. If you regularly receive protected PDFs, this walkthrough will show you how to remove the password the right way, assuming you already know it and have permission to modify the file. We'll use Adobe Acrobat Pro 2026, and I'll explain what each option means so everything is clear. Start by opening your password-protected PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. When prompted, enter the correct password to open the document. You must unlock the file first. Without the right password, Acrobat won't let you change its security settings. With the file open, go to the File menu and choose Properties. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac. This opens the Document Properties window, which is where Acrobat keeps important details about the file. In the Document Properties window, switch to the Security tab. Here, you'll see the current protection status, including whether a password is required to open the file, or if there are restrictions on printing, copying, or editing. Look for the security method dropdown. It likely says something like password security. Click that dropdown and select no security. This tells Acrobat you want the file to be open and usable without any passwords or restrictions. Click OK to apply the change. Acrobat will ask you to confirm by entering the password again. This confirmation step prevents accidental changes and ensures only someone who knows the password can remove it. Type the same password you used to open the file and proceed. Now that the security method is set to no security, save your change so it becomes permanent. Go to File and choose Save. Until you save, the file may still reopen with the old settings, so this step is essential. Your PDF is now password-free. The next time you or anyone else opens it, Acrobat won't ask for a password, and any earlier restrictions tied to that password will be removed. If you notice the no security option is unavailable or grayed out, double check that you open the file with the full permissions password and that you're using Acrobat Pro, not the free reader. That's it! Open the file with the password, go to File and Properties, switch to the Security tab, set the security method to no security, confirm with the password, and save. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your PDFs more efficiently.